Buenas tardes, mi nombre es Paola Andrea Quintero de la Universidad Iberoamericana, Psicología Virtual, el área inglés para el profesor Luis Garzón. Present simple. On one day, Christopher Colon lived for the first time in America, October 12, 1492. B. About 7,520. C. October 12, 2942. D. October 12, 2924. On October 12, the earthquake of land was seen in was the island of Guanani, Baptiste, Big Colon, and San Salvador. Present continuous. The river that passes under Boyacá Bridge, as it is called: A. River Boyacá, B. River Teatinos, C. River Blue, D. River Bolívar. On Saturday, August 7, 1819, the Republican troops led by Simon Bolivar as chief of the bridge over the Teatinos River, the surrender of the royalist forces, and the independence of the Viceroyalty on the New Granada. Past simple. What is capital of Argentina? A. Córdoba, B. Rosario, C. Buenos Aires. The autonomous city of Buenos Aires is the national capital limited with the province of the same name. Past continuous. Towards which country is the famous Taj Mahal monument? A. England, B. India, C. Japan, D. Arabia. The Taj Mahal is a mausoleum that hides this beautiful and tragic love history between an emperor and his wife. Present perfect. How many games has Colombia won in the World Cup? A. 181, B. 202, C. 142. According to the data registered with FIFA until October 15 of 2050, Colombia official matches white team from and over the world and win 202 matches. How many countries participate in the Second World War? A. 33, B. 30, C. 43, D. 23. 23 countries actively participate in the conflict. How many times does basketball game have? A. 4 teams, B. 2 teams, C. teams, D. 5 teams. The match has to help its hand each whole it's divided into quarters. Present perfect continuous. How long the war was? 2 lakhs, A. 6 years, B. 9 years, C. 3 years, D. 1 year. The Second World War military conflict was the nationals of the world with involved. How old was the independence of Colombia? A. 1,210 years, B. 208 years, C. 300 years, only 22,200 years have passed since the Congress of the United States of Colombia signed the so-called Act of the Revolution. Pacific votes. In which country the Olympics original? A. Germany, B. Greece, C. England. The original in Greece and are so-called Olympic Games because they are held in the city of Olympia. Thank you.